The Russian army lost 30,150 troops in the war against Ukraine so far, according to Ukrainian authorities. The Kiev is saying that Russia also lost 1,338 tanks and 207 aircrafts. The US estimates of the Russian casualties are more modest, but even US sources claims that Putin lost more than 15,000 soldiers, which is also a huge number. For example, this is more than all Soviet losses during the 9-year invasion of Afghanistan. On the other side, the Ukrainian losses are not so talked about, but the latest statement from President Zelensky give us a clue. He says, "The situation is very difficult. We're losing 60 to 100 soldiers per day as killed in action, and something around 500 people as wounded in action. So we are holding our defensive perimeters." A month and a half ago, Zelensky said Ukraine had from 2,500 to 3,000 casualties and another 10,000 wounded. If these daily losses are accurate for May, that would mean another 1,800 to 3,000 kills and 15,000 wounded. Regardless, these are serious losses, and they will affect whether Ukraine has the numbers to conduct offensive operations later this summer. Heavy losses on both sides suggest that a more attritional struggle will be likely this summer. Now let's see the latest videos from Ukrainian battlefields. This is a crazy footage of a Russian T-72B3 running over 2 anti-tank mines before being struck presumably by artillery and destroyed. Remarkably, the crew seems to have survived. This is Russian BTR vehicle stepping over mine. This is a Ukrainian Stugna PATGM strike on a Russian armored vehicle. And another Stugna PATGM strike on a Russian BMP. A Russian BMP-3 IFV was captured in working condition by Ukrainian forces somewhere in the east. Note that a new O tactical sign has been crudely painted over the original V. I wonder if this means units previously under the Eastern Military District Command are now subordinated to the Central Military District. At the beginning of the war, each of Russia's 4 primary military districts had their own AO, but the force and overall AO is now smaller. A captured Russian BMP-2. Artillery strikes on Russian vehicles by Ukraine's 45th Artillery Brigade. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.